Hi everyone, today I will introduce the quality control department of our company. Kuasu Moldtec stays as an ISO 9001-2005 certified factory, renowned for its unwavering commitment to quality. We draw on the finest high-quality techniques from Germany and Japan, fusing precision and innovation. All components are meticulously inspected within climate-controlled environments, ensuring that every tool we create reaches the pinnacle of accuracy. When it comes to mold testing, we conduct FAI and PPAP reports. Each tool is subjected to a rigorous 100% final inspection prior to delivery, guaranteeing that only the highest quality products leave our facility. That's all for today's introduction. See you next time.